Today we have this beautiful Denali HD 3500, and pretty much the whole thing is going to be getting window tint. Now it looks like this just has a factory match on it, nothing on the rear and nothing on the windshield. So one of the things that's wrong with this is there's a big scratch in the tint. So we're going to rip all this off, we're going to rip that off, and then the customer wants to go darker. So we're going to do 5% on the fronts. I'm going to go over the rear in 20%, and we're going to do a full windshield in 35%. So with the software, I got these patterns all stacked up vertically, and now we're going to go ahead and get them plotted out so we can get them installed. So let's just take a quick look so you can see what the difference is compared to OEM glass and tinted over that. So that's been tinted, the middle hasn't, and that's been tinted. And you can see the difference in shades. Once again, you can see the difference. So I just put 20% on the outsides, and that is OEM glass. Now let's go ahead and get that glass done and move on. So now since the steamer's fired up, I might as well jump to the front doors and get these two pieces of tint removed so we can add darker shades to the front doors. So let's just talk about something really quick. A guy left a comment in another video about using a steamer and the glue being left behind. Now, as you can see, I got my steamer fired up. And if you've watched any of my videos, when I usually do removal, I use the steamer. But just because you're using the steamer does not mean that there still won't be glue left behind. I can't explain it. I don't know. Sometimes they have fresh tint that leaves glue behind. Sometimes you have tint on here for years that doesn't leave glue behind. But just because you're using a steamer does not mean that there won't be glue left behind. So let's move on. So, quick update. Both of the front doors have now been stripped. Now there is a little bit of glue residue on here, so we'll do a minor cleaning. We'll get that all scraped and cleaned up, and then like I said before, we'll do these two. I think right now I'm gonna work on the rear and get those done since I'm using all 20% back here. Then we'll switch 5% in the plotter and we'll get the fronts done. All right, so let's stop for a quick update. Front doors have now been done in 5%. The rear has all been done 20% over OEM. Now we're gonna do the windshield. The windshield is shrunk. It's on the peel board. I've already wet the, lifted up the liner, and I wet down the film side. Now we're going ahead and get it installed, and this one will be complete. So this one is done. We got the windshield done. We got the front doors done, rear doors done, and the rear back glass is done. So this customer's truck is done. Now on to the next one.